Having trouble finding products to resell on Amazon FBA? Stick around, guys. Hey, what's up guys, my name is John, thank you all very much for tuning in. In today's video I'm going to show you another method that I use on how to source products for Amazon FBA using the Facebook Marketplace. Now, if you follow my videos and you are doing what I do by using online arbitrage and using the Facebook Marketplace to source products, sometimes some people, myself included at times, can find it a little bit difficult to find products. And this is not because they're not there, it is because you are looking through a massive list of hundreds and thousands of products online, and trying to source the profitable ones can be very, very tricky. So in today's video I'm going to show you another method, and this method is by using random keywords, random search terms. This way it will filter out the searches and will help you, it will heavily increase your chances of finding profit. Now when I say random, I mean random. I do not mean that I am typing in a search term keyword to find particular products relating to that specific keyword. It is solely about filtering out the results. That's all you're looking to do, is filter it out. That way you're not looking through the entire list, you're looking through a very specific list that has been filtered out using your keyword, and that way it is much easier to look through this smaller list and find profit. So today I'm going to give you a little example exactly how I do this, and I'm going to try and find some good profit, and also I'm going to give you a little tip for people that are new to FBA, that people that have actually came to me and messaged me and they falsely believe that they are gated in certain things. I've spoken to a couple of people on different platforms. They believe that they are gated on certain things because it says, when they check it, it says you're not eligible to sell. Well, that is not necessarily the case, and I'll go through all that with you. But I'm going to switch over to Facebook now and we'll see what we can find. Okay, so this is me now on Facebook, and I have already went ahead and typed in a random keyword search term. Okay, and the keyword search term that I have typed in is final. Just something random, it doesn't have to be anything specific. Remember, I'm only looking to kind of refine the search results. I'm only trying to filter it out. And it's given me this straight away. It's Final Fantasy VII for the PlayStation 1. The greatest game I have ever played, probably the best childhood memory I have in playing the PlayStation. But it is £14, you won't make profit on that on Amazon. It's not going to make a lot of money. So basically, I'm not looking for something in particular with the word final in it. It doesn't matter what is in it. What matters, it is now filtered out. In fact, I may find an item in this search term, this search result, it doesn't even have the word final in it. For example, a Toyota Yaris, there's no word final in that, but it's been refined into this search. It may be in the description, but it doesn't matter. But I'm just going to quickly look through it and see if we can find anything. So just use your eyes and you'll find something. Wait a minute, straight away, right here actually. There's a perfect example. So I've got this right here, is the Dyson V6 with all attachments in excellent condition for £100. So I'm going to check this listing, bear with me 2 seconds and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I've just checked that listing. It has apparently all been used a couple of times in absolutely perfect condition. It comes with all attachments, the original box and the user manual. So that's all great, that is fantastic. Selling for £100, so the buy price is pretty steep. However, I have sold one of these before, not on FBA, I've sold it on eBay, and I know this goes for good money, so I'm going to check it on Amazon and see how well it does on Amazon. Okay, I'm on Amazon now. I have found the exact same item right here, and it is selling new for on £199.88. It is selling used for starting from £189.59. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it and bear with me. Okay, here we go. So there's two used, and the starting one is £189.59. So I'm going to check the Helium 10. Okay, so this is in the last 7 days. In the last 7 days alone, this is sold several times. I'll refine it to 30 days. 30 days is again sold several times per month. In the last 2 weeks, it is, you can see right here, it's sold a hell of a lot in the last 2 weeks. That is great. I'm going to check the used ones that's live. Okay, so the first one is used, it's like new, kind of similar to the one that I would be purchasing, and that is the Prime one for £189.59. So I'll go back to Helium 10, check the profit on that. Typed it all in, the cost of product £100, selling price £189.59, and the fees estimated are £33.56, and the net profit is £56.03. So that's really good profit, and if you look right here at the last 7 days, this is a extremely quick seller, so that'd be very, very quick profit. Now, what's important is when you're purchasing, or before you purchase your items, you have to make sure you are eligible to sell this item in the first place. Now, on different platforms, including YouTube, I have had people commenting saying that they are gated on certain categories. I've spoken to someone on another platform and they believed they were gated, and it turns out they weren't gated, they just didn't look properly. And what I mean by this is people use, generally I use it too, is they use the mobile app, okay, the mobile app to check the items and check your seller eligibility. So I'm going to type this in quickly, and I'll click on the one that is the same listing that shows here, which is the one selling for £199.87 new. I'll click on that listing, and I don't know if you can see it, okay, I kind of, no, okay, the auto zoom is turned off, but I'll quickly go through what I'm trying to explain. So basically when I click on this item, it only gives me the option for new. Now this one is used, and because this is Dyson doesn't in fact let you resell this. So it actually comes up, you can't see it, but it says right here the seller eligibility, and then it's a big red triangle with an exclamation mark in it, and it says you cannot sell this product. Okay, so I'm restricted from this product. However, if you click on it, again you can't see but I'll explain it, click on it, and then it says the selling eligibility, I have actually got a green tick, and it says that I can sell this product in used condition. Okay, so in fact I actually can sell it, but only used. I'm restricted from selling it new, collectible and refurbished, which is fine, but I can sell it used. So this I can certainly sell, and I can certainly make that kind of profit. So always make sure that even though it may say selling eligibility and it says that you cannot sell this product, if you've clicked on the new listing, it is only stating that you cannot sell it new. Okay, if you have got a used one or you've sourced a used one, make sure to check, because you may actually be eligible to sell it. So always make sure to do this check, because it is extremely important. People believe they're gated just because they see that. That's not always the case. So yeah, I can sell this and I can make that profit. So anyway, I'll get back to it, and I will go back to Facebook and I'll type in another random search term and see what else I can find. Okay, just to be completely random this time, as I says, I'll see what else I can find. I typed in the keyword find. Now you may find, or you may think this is stupid and just silly, but it does have good purpose. I am solely looking to refine the search. That is it. I'm not looking to put in a search term relating to a product that I'm trying to find, because I'm looking for profit in anything. It just filters out the search and makes it a little bit easier. So I'm just going to quickly go through this with this new keyword and see if I can find something with the keyword find. Okay. So it gives you a lot of random things. It doesn't even have to relate to that keyword. It's just you're solely filtering it out. Wait a minute. Okay, so I've found something here. I don't even know what it is. It's the Astral A50. It is a wireless headset. Okay, 2 seconds and I'll check this listing and I will get back to you. Okay, so I've just checked that listing. It's £150 they're selling for, quite steep. It is a PlayStation 4 and PC wireless headset. It is brand new and the box still sealed, so I can assume if they're selling at that kind of price, then it probably goes for a good price. So I'm going to check it on Amazon, see how it does. Okay, so I found this on Amazon and quite surprised that it is right here, Astral Gaming A50 wireless headset, and it is a PlayStation 4 and PC model. So it's this one exactly right here. It sells for £229.99. Okay, so the selling price was the buying price was 150. And again, you can see here, refined in the last 30 days, this sells several times per month and several times per week, so that again would be a very, very quick seller. So this is new, so I would just be matching that new price, and I'll check the profit. Okay, so I've already filled this in. The selling price would be 229.99 and the cost of product is 150. So the fees are a little bit high, estimated around £37.68. The net profit is £42.31, so still a really good profit there, and this would be an extremely quick seller. Okay, that would be a very, very quick seller. So yeah, I mean, it's down to the individual. For me personally, I would definitely buy that and resell that, and hopefully I would sell that within the week. I'm making £42 profit within the week. The cost of product's a bit steep, but to make that kind of profit that fast, for me personally, that is worth it. But again, it's down to the individual and how much you're willing to spend when you're starting out. So again, I will quickly check this and make sure I'm eligible to sell this. Okay, so what's it called? Astral Gaming A50 wireless headset, and it is giving me the Xbox, no, the PS4, yeah, PS4 model. And yeah, indeed, I am allowed to resell this. I'm allowed to sell it new and used. The only restriction is I can't sell it refurbished. Sorry. Yeah, so I can sell that. That's totally fine. So I can get that profit. Always make sure to check that you're eligible to resell, okay? And always make sure that when it does say that it's restricted or you're not eligible to sell it, to click on the actual where it says that, and then it will tell you the list of what you can and can't sell, like new and used, etc. Okay, so I'll go back again, and this is probably going to be my final one. I'll have another little look and see what else we can find, okay? Okay, so another random keyword. I have just wrote in how. Yeah, that's it. That's all it takes. Literally, that's all it takes. It doesn't have to be anything specific, just anything random. You're filtering out the search results. That's all you're doing. It makes it easier and makes it quicker to find products. So yeah, how? I'm just going to click through this. It'll give you a bunch of random things. Wait a minute, what's this? Crosshair PC power supply, not bad. I'm going to check this listing right here, okay? Okay, so that is a computer power supply, and it is brand new in the box and still sealed. So I'm going to check this on Amazon and see how well it does. It's only £20. Power supplies, now I've bought power supplies for my computer and they can go for a decent price. Nothing substantial, but they can make a decent profit. Okay, so I found this exact same model. It is an Amazon Choice model, so that's really good. It doesn't sell for a massive profit. On that listing it did say, however, on nearest offer, so you could probably buy it for £15 if you're willing to haggle. It is selling for £43.08. Okay, and refined with 30 days, again it sells several times per month. And check 7 days. Each dip is a sale, so there's quite a few dips now at 7 days. Okay, nothing substantial, but definitely sells several times a week. So the cost of product, let's just say that I can haggle it down to 15. People write on nearest offer because they're willing to take less. So if I buy it for 15, resell it for £43.08, the fees are estimated at £5.70 and the net profit is £22.38. For me personally, that would be worth it. I would still buy that at that price. It may not sell instantly, it should sell within the month, it may even sell within the week, but it's still a decent profit. Bear in mind, when you're starting out at Amazon, you're just looking to totally and utterly flood it with products. Obviously profitable products, but you're just looking to get as much up as you can, and then eventually you start getting sales every single day. But anyway guys, I'm going to switch back and we'll have a little chat. So there we have it, guys. Hopefully you found some form of value in that. Basically, you don't have to be looking for a specific search term. Keywords do not have to be a very specific keyword. Random keywords would work. And I know some people really do find it hard when they're looking for products. Even if you watch my videos, I make it look easy. I can still be searching for quite some time. This is just another method, another way to filter out the searches. And that way that when you type in these keywords, it will just totally break down the search, and it's not just a massive bunch of stuff. It is kind of more refined, and that way you'll find like your little gems, your little golden nuggets, and it makes it a little bit easier. So hopefully you found some form of value, and hopefully this helps some of you out there. But anyway, guys, that is more or less me for this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, please consider subscribing, that way you'll not miss a thing. And as always, guys, thank you all very much for watching. Take care, and I will see you all later. Goodbye.